So you can hear the birds chirping, you can hear Mother Nature. They love this house.
Oh yeah.
So Gabby, I'm gonna take you through our Avon Lake tiny home. I can't wait to show you all the little touches that Imagination Renovations did to make this home complete.
All right, let's see it.
Let's do it. Go take a look. So I love the 2-car garage. That's fantastic. So if you ever decide to use this as an investment property later on, you can park in one side and then you could also have a game room in the other.
Oh, great idea.
Yeah, and it's an oversized little driveway pad too, so you can fit a lot of cars here for entertainment. Let's check out the backyard, because this is like one of my favorite parts. So what did you tell me about this area?
Just feels private, but it's still nice and spacious.
Yeah, and I could just see those little Edison bulbs just coming off.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, with like a little patio back here. So you can have your own little private oasis.
Oh yeah.
As well. And if you do use it as an investment property, that's exactly what the renters look for. So Gabby, what do you think of the color choices in the kitchen?
I love it. I love the two-tone. The white uppers makes it feel so much bigger.
It does, I know. In that closet is a little surprise as well. You got washer and dryer on the first floor. I know. So you can just literally place your furniture and either move right in or use it as a great investment.
Yeah.
Yep, all the appliances are gonna stay, even the dishwasher. I love that too.
Oh yeah, that's great.
And the bedroom sizes are really nice.
Oh yeah, this is a good size bedroom.
Yeah, I mean, even though this is a tiny home, you've got some great room sizes. I want to talk to you just a little bit just about the area. So I recently just sold another house right down the street, and literally I was waiting with the keys for the renter the day we closed. So that was a long-term renter, and they're paying $1,500 a month. We probably could have gotten even more, honestly. For short-term rentals, I mean, sky's the limit. You can rent it between $1,700, $2,400 on average. So this could be a really good cash cow for someone that's looking for an investment property, and just offering a little bit of flexibility can really gain you even more cash on cash.
Oh yeah, that's great advice.
Absolutely, or just move right in and love it. So our team actually just sold the house next door for well above asking. And before this house disappears, we're gonna be hosting an open house this Saturday. So if you'd like to come out and check it out in person, you can make this tiny house your next house.